Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize friends of friends can send you friend request in your Facebook. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now press on menu and go to settings and privacy. Now go to settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of how people find and contact you. Press on this. Now here you can see the option of who can send you friend request. If you want to customize friends of friends can send you friend request on your Facebook, then click here friends of friends and press on save. That's it. So this is how to customize friends of friends can send you friend request in your Facebook. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.